Welcome to page 2. It's all about fractions. Change each mixed number to an improper fraction. Then multiply numerators. Multiply denominators. And then simplify. So step 1, we're going to change the mixed number to an improper fraction. Big times little, 1 times 2 is 2, plus top is 3. So we now have 7/8 times 3/2. Do I need to worry about not having like denominators? Nope, that is only when I add and subtract I have to have matching denominators. Here I can just multiply them straight out. So 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 2 is 16. And now I need to simplify. So I can get one group of 16 out of 21 with 5 remaining. And that's my final answer. Okay, so now over here to the division section, change each mixed number to an improper fraction. Rewrite the first fraction. This is going to be our keep, change, flip. So keep. Change the division to multiplication. And find the reciprocal. Well, that didn't. Reciprocal of the second fraction. Then multiply. So first we need to change this 2 3/4 to an improper fraction. Big times little is 8, plus top is 11/4. Change, flip to the reciprocal, and now we can multiply. 11 times 3 is 33. 4 times 2 is 8. We can get 4 groups of 8 out of 33, which would be 32, which leaves us a remainder of 1/8. And that's how you divide fractions. Looking down here about the integers, use your understanding of integer rules and multiplication and division of fractions to solve the problems below. So if the signs are the same, then the product or quotient is positive. And if they are different, product or quotient is negative. Keep in mind the same rules apply from the first page as they do the second page, which means if there is an even number of negative signs, then the result will be positive. So if you have, let's say, the negative 3/5, like you do above there, times negative 2/3 times positive 1/8, the result of that will be positive because there are two negative signs, and that's an even number of them. Therefore, it would be a positive result. Negative times a negative is a positive. You're going to get sick and tired of hearing that. But you're going to hear it a lot. All right, and if the signs are different, the product or quotient is negative. Also, if there is an odd number of negative signs. Such as negative times negative times negative, the result is negative. Okay? Moving down here, the rules can be expanded with more than 2 terms. So here's where she kind of teaches this. Describe the pattern you observe. So the result here, negative times negative, is positive 4. So the result is positive. And then negative times negative is negative 8. Remember, an even number of negative signs is a positive answer. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 negative signs. Therefore, our answer will be positive. Another way to look at that is negative times negative is positive. Negative times negative is positive. So you get 2 positive answers. Now we get an odd number of negative signs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, our answer will be negative. So even number of negative signs equals positive result. Odd number of negative signs equals negative result. Okay? So go ahead and move to the next assignment and work on these with these rules.